Man, I promise, I was so self-conscious. That's why it took me a moment to rock it like this. From thinking that I need an accomplice to accomplish all that I set out to get on some young shit. Thinking I was being modest when really I'm monstrous. An artist that no one can fuck with. Feeling out of place with the latest trends. At a loss with the state of hip-hop and its content. The thought is obnoxious when I just love the freestyle. Put me on any beat and I start shadow boxing. Like Muhammad, floating like a ghost or butterfly. Come with shit hotter than summertime. It stings when your talents are undermined. So each letter in my name capitalized and underlined. Yeah, that's how I gotta do it. You now in tuned into the sounds of my music. I hope it all sound like love. Sound like love, yeah. I hope it all sound like love. Sound like love. Sharing all the bad and the good times. And everything that's to come. Yo, I promise I was so self-conscious. Hope the first verse didn't come off as a diss towards friends that work with me who love the content, that didn't prey on my downfall or what I can accomplish. In hip-hop, that wasn't a shot to mafia. Jedi, your focus one, just know it's love. Everything you do isn't new under the sun. I just wish to improve from the man that I was, without feeling people take advantage of that or reject me because everyone wishes to rap. I roll a swisher to that. Show love to every artist, keep it competitive, but avoid creating targets. When you caught it, hearing lyrical rappers can't make music, I chew on that with a toothpick. Then spit it out like a sunflower seed, cause all I hear is hoes, money and weed. You can't be serious, man. I hope it all sound like love. Sound like love, yeah. I hope it all sound like love. Sound like love. Sharing all the bad and the good times and everything that's to come. I spent my childhood second guessing myself, being compared to other niggas, just being myself. People saying I remind them of someone of themselves, had me feeling my identity was shelf. Nothing wrong with like-mindedness or common interest, but their sheer ignorance had me feeling indifferent. Same niggas I would play my songs to, they'll just talk over it, ignoring the hard work and commitment. They may as well shoulda doubt my shit. They play a Jay-Z track and say I sound like this. It's hard being an artist when you dope as fuck, yet sensitive about your shit. Then again, I heard it all before from the haters, critics, and motherfuckers. Wishing they is just as gifted. I used to be self-conscious, now I'm sure I can do it. I hope you vibe out to this music. Talk to me. I hope it all sound like